Hi everyone, today I have a new book for you. Actually, it's not a new book, it was published in 1956. So, the book is The Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. This is the book. Khushwant Singh was an Indian author. He was also a diplomat, politician, lawyer, and a journalist. His experience in 1947 partition inspired him to write this book, Train to Pakistan, and which was published in 1957. So the story takes place in an isolated village known as Manu Manja, where people from different religions, mainly Sikhs and Muslims, lived in peace for hundreds of years. Suddenly, on one day, the ghost train arrives. The villagers called that train ghost train. A train which was loaded with the dead bodies of thousands of refugees. And so many rumors spread about the train and the dead refugees. And this brings the village to the horror of a civil war. In this book, we witness the history from the perspective of individuals. We can also see how easily the hatred and discord can spread. They were living peacefully. Suddenly, one day, a train full of corpses arrives. Everything changes. We can see how quickly fear can spread and how quickly people can be swayed by rumors. And they begins to distress the people they have known their entire life. This is also the story of a Muslim girl and a Sikh boy whose love suffered and goes beyond the ravages of the war. The story is tragic, but the end message of this book is so good. It is the individuals who can change the world, not an association, not a group of people, not a political party. It's just an individual. Imagine if everyone in this world decides that they are not going to hurt or kill anyone in any means, then there will be no more violence in this world, and this world will be a better place to live. So you just have to make the right decisions even if no one else will stand up with you. So about the book, Khushwant Singh has a very simple way of narration. He even tells the complicated things in a very simple manner. The language of this book is very simple and there is no long structured sentence in this book. So it's easy to read and even a beginner can read this book. In my opinion, this is a must-read book for everyone. While reading this book, you will be going through the pain of those who suffered during partition. So I think everyone has to understand what happened in our country and how our people suffered during that time. So that's all for today. See you again in another video. Bye.